What if I told you that you could save hours of time editing with a simple and free app that's designed not only specifically for YouTube, but by YouTube? Well, it's called the YouTube Create app, and it's available for download right now in the Play Store, but only the Play Store. Let me explain. YouTube just released the beta version of their YouTube Create app a few days ago. Now, it's only available for Android right now, but here's why it's still exciting for all creators. First of all, you, yes, you, win in the subtle but obvious software battle. Even if you don't choose to use the YouTube Create app, you'll likely see the benefits trickle down into all other applications. Just as you're working to grow your viewers, software companies are trying to grow their users. If one app offers a feature everyone loves, all the other apps are going to have to do the same. Just like how everybody copied Snapchat and TikTok in offering short form content. That leads me to my next point of why I think the YouTube Create app is worth looking at. Friction. Or should I say lack of friction. The reason why some people are able to post more frequently or consistently than you isn't because they're smarter than you. It's because they have less things getting in the way of creating content, like having to upload clips from a recording device to a computer before they can start making edits. By putting all this editing power right into your pocket, it certainly reduces that friction. Let's look at the top 5 features of the YouTube Create app and how you too can use it to start cranking out more videos. The most impressive feature of this app, you just gotta see it in action to believe it. It's so impressive, it might put companies like Rode completely out of business, but I'll get to that in a little bit. The next feature that'll help you create content faster and cheaper is auto captioning. DaVinci and Premiere already offer it in their program, but with apps like CapCut, it comes with a lot of limitations. To use this, just scroll to the right on the bottom of your screen, hit Captions, select the language that you'd like, hit Generate, and you got captions. Then just select the size, style, and location that you want the captions to show up, and boom, you're done. Now onto the free sound effects. YouTube Create has an extensive library of music and sound effects that you can use without having to worry about licensing agreements, or having to import from a third-party app that you likely had to pay for. Even in the beta app, I've been able to find all the music and sound effects that I've needed. But I can only imagine that this library is going to continue to grow until it's the largest catalog of licensed free sounds out there. They're also coming out with a new AI tool they call Assistive Search, where you just type in a description of what your video is about, and AI is going to come up with a list of sounds and music that it thinks would be a great fit. Instead of only being able to sort by genre or length, you'll be offered a curated list that AI thinks would be the right fit. Hard to say much about it since it has yet to come out, but stay tuned for that. Now on to my favorite feature. Not because I necessarily think it's going to revolutionize your videos, but because it tickles my sense of humor. Under stickers, you can go over to GIFs and add some good old group chat humor to your videos. With over 200 GIFs from the hit TV show The Office, you now have everything you need to start making better videos. Alright, might take a little bit more than Office GIFs, but maybe this last and most impressive feature will have what it takes. I teased this feature earlier in the video saying it might put companies like Rode out of business. You might think I'm crazy, but check this out. Now, I'm shooting outside next to the road. You can hear the cars driving by. I got sprinklers over here on this side and construction behind me. But check out just how much of a difference this audio cleanup feature makes. To use it, just go to the bottom of your screen, scroll to the left, and select Audio Cleanup. Give it just a minute for it to do its work, and presto, you got a cleaned up audio track. I showed this to our editor just a few days ago, and he says that this free feature is very similar to the enhanced audio feature that he uses in Premiere. A few other exciting things yet to come in this app, other than being available on iOS of course, are some additional AI features that'll help take your videos to the next level.
Come with me if you want subscribers.
The most exciting to me is something they're calling Dream Screen. I think we're all familiar with the advancements in the AI image generation space, but if not, we have a video about it right here. So YouTube's going to be bringing that same technology to their YouTube Create app by allowing creators access to AI-generated videos or image backgrounds. In a recent blog article, YouTube says, "Ever wish you were filming in outer space? Trekking through an enchanted forest? Dreamt that your pug drove you to school? With Dream Screen, creators will be able to generate new, fantastic settings for their shorts that are only limited by what they can imagine." We'll start to introduce Dream Screen to select creators before we roll it out more broadly next year. How exciting is that? We'll be able to include art in our videos without actually needing that artistic ability. They also say they intend to expand that feature to allow creators to reimagine their videos by typing in an idea and letting AI turn their video into something completely new. Hard to say just how useful this tool is going to be, but we always love seeing new AI tools come to market. One other exciting feature that's in the works is AI-powered insights. It's basically a supercomputer telling you exactly what you need to do to take your videos to the next level. It's designed to give channel-specific recommendations on future videos, and even draft outlines using AI. They've already tested it out with a number of creators, and 70% of them agree that it helped them develop and test new ideas. That's pretty impressive. All right, that's gonna wrap up our introduction into YouTube Create. If you enjoyed the video, show us some support by chucking us a like. Until next time, this has been Jake with Channel Makers.